Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. It's your girl, Lady M here. And yes, you can tell by today's title that we're going to be doing our April Boxycharm Base Box unboxing. Yes, that's what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be doing a dive deep into this month's box. I am going to share with you guys what my thoughts are, and we're going to unbox this box together in today's video. So if you're interested in seeing what did I receive in my April base Boxycharm box, then you know what to do. Keep on watching. All right, guys, as you can tell by today's title, you already know what time it is, and it's all about my April, I had to think for a minute, Boxycharm. So we're gonna get into this unboxing, my thoughts, and I hope they didn't play me this time because last month was kind of like, okay. So you know, Boxycharm be kind of uppy. They be like up 1 minute, you're good, the next minute you're like, oh, what is this? All right, so let me just go ahead and open her up, and then let's get this show started. So first things first, just going to show you the box. This is what the box, oh my God, look at that, it matches my nails. Spring is in the air, Easter is around the corner. So that's the box. So this box is called Boxycharm Spring Revival. So let me just show you what that is looking like. And so that's what this is all about. So I'm going to sit my box down and let's dive right in. All right, so I'm just gonna grab the first product that's just right on top. And this is from Beauty Bakery. What's up? This is Sour You Doing? Sour You Doing? I don't know what does it say? Sour You Doing eyeshadow palette. These shades will make your eyes squint and then light it up in surprise, rich and bold, yet soft for those who want to be subtle. So Sour You Doing is perfect for spring looks, date night, or maybe even a holiday mixer. This retails for $38 and it is a new launch from Beauty Bakery. So obviously I'm thinking that it's gonna be this kind of color story for the palette. So let me open it up and let's see what we got. All right, so love the eyes. I love the fact that we have a huge mirror. So we have a mirror there. And then let's take a look at these shades. Okay, definitely spring vibes. I see some corals, I see some pinks, and we got a good neutral shade on the bottom. So that is what the palette is looking like. Like, I don't really know about this. Light pink, it's called Sour. And then we got, what's this? Sangria. This sangria color right here is in the middle. So I don't really know, but I'm definitely feeling that yellow. Let me just take the plastic off. So definitely feeling this yellow. Just going to swatch it really quickly, because you know, yellow is hard to perform. And then this color is really giving me, like, I want to, yeah, I don't know about this one. So that's a quick swatch of that other color. And then the brown, let me just see how dark this goes. It's like a true, like, it's like skin tone for me. So those are 3 shades right there. Just did a quick swatch. So there we go. I like that color. So not bad. Not bad at all. Definitely not too shabby. I have used Beauty Bakery in the past, so I know that their product performs very well. So this is pretty exciting to get a new Beauty Bakery palette. I think I told you that this retails for down earlier. Anyway, so again, this is my base box for the month of April. Again, all the details about Boxycharm is going to be listed in the description box down below. And I get not the premium, I get the Luxe and I get the base box. So this is the base box, and then I got my Luxe box last month in March, I think. Yeah. So I will also have the value of the box listed in the description box, and I'll also have it somewhere on the screen to let you guys know what is the total value of this box. All right, so I'm taking out the plastic. All right, this is Georgette Klinger, and this is a vitamin C mask. This retails for $36. It says to revitalize, brighten, and even your complexion in minutes with a powerful infusion of vitamin C to protect skin and prevent free radical damage while boosting collagen production. This clay-based mask draws out impurities, allowing argan and avocado oils to nourish and revitalize your skin. This retails for $36. So restores youthful tone and texture, improve radiance and clarity, fight signs of aging caused by UV damage, promotes healing and repair, brightens dull, uneven skin, draws impurities from pores, and it smooths and firms. So I guess this is the clay mask. So that is different. Let's see. Oh, so nice pump, pretty decent packaging. You got this white bottle, and then you have this kind of rose gold or bronze type of lighting. Okay. I don't know who Georgette Klinger is, but okay. All right, so the next product that I have is Lucky Chick, and it's liquid eyeshadow. So Lucky Chick liquid eyeshadow. So this gorgeous metallic pink shades create a beautiful tone while radiating a subtle shimmery glow. It is lightweight, long lasting, and has the right amount of shine and luster. Wear a thin layer on the lids or build it up for a more dramatic look. Layering this soothing cucumber enriched eyeshadow makes it perfect for all day wear. And this retails for, what is it? $22? $22. So let's take a look at this. This is what the box looks like. It just says LC Lucky Chick. That's the box. And pretty basic packaging, just the LC right there, black top, and then you can see the shade in the packaging. So it looks to me like it's maybe like a rose gold shade. That's what it is looking like. So just holding it there for you guys to see. I don't know who Lucky Chick is. Do you know who Lucky Chick is? Because I don't know who Lucky Chick is. So yeah. All right, the next thing I have, this is going to be my 5 product box. So I have 5 items. This one is Christophe Robin Paris, and it's the Broom Volumizing Instant. So this is the instant volumizing leave-in mist with rose water, uplift roots, and provides fuller length. I don't need this, so yeah. That's all I'm gonna say about that. It smells like rose. Okay, so the mist makes thin, fine, and flat hair feel thicker and full of body while delivering an easy to style hold. Using a delicate rose blend infused formula with baobab leaf extract and oligo elements from seawater. This mist helps enhance hair's texture and provides a lift at the roots for a long-lasting volumizing look. And that retails for $39. So I have the last product in here. So I already showed you guys Beauty Bakery, Georgette Klinger, Christopher Robin. So this one is the Flirtatious Luxe Cosmetics, the Perfect Dual Foundation Travel Set. So this is what the box looks like. So I'm assuming that I get a brush and I have a sponge or something. And it's so funny. It says step 1, wash, step 2, squeeze, step 3, beat, how to quick beat, coverage, precision, blendability, quick beat. The name is the finisher. Okay. So yeah, so basically you get a brush, which is dope. I like this brush because I usually use something like this for my mask, because Sigma has one that comes with, like, Glam Glow, has one that comes with their mask. So I've kept those, and so I like to use this kind of brush to apply my face mask. I'm trying to get the sponge out of here. The sponge feels soft and squishy, so it's not like some of those sponges that end up being hard or anything like that. So this says a flawless finish that lasts all day begins with the right tools. The Perfect Dual by Flirtatious Luxe Cosmetics is the essential foundation tool travel set. It features Quick Beat, a latex-free foam beauty sponge with a unique sharp tip and flat edge, and then the Mini Base, an exclusive travel-size paddle-shaped synthetic brush with a shorter handle for even easier application. She's perfect for on-the-go glam. Both tools are key for smooth application that melts onto your skin, especially in the hard-to-reach places. Okay. And this retails for $30. Again, I don't know what is this called? Flirtatious Luxe Cosmetics is, but they got this sponge and they have this little brush. Now, I do like the brush because, like I said, I can find a use for this for quickly applying my face masks whenever I am masking. But as far as that sponge, I don't really like to use other sponges because they end up not really applying products very well, and then they're hard to wash, so I just stick to what works, and so I don't really try anything else. So we have come to the part that I'm going to tell y'all that this box is not it. No. The one item that gets good vibes plus thumbs up for me is the Beauty Bakery box. Everything else, it's a no for me. I mean, I do like this just because of the brush. So it's like 1 out of the 2 things. So let's just say 2 out of 5. So that is not a winning combo, okay? So, I'm not here for this. And I just wish Boxycharm would just be consistent. Be consistently not good or be consistently good. You can't be good, then you're bad, then you're good, then you're bad. Like, no, it's not gonna work for me. So, not happy with this box. I am happy for the new Beauty Bakery palette, which is pretty dope. And I could find something to use with that brush, that whatever mini base brush. I'm not gonna use the sponge. So yeah, that's where we are today. All right, guys. Let me know down below in the comments, what did you get in your box? Are you feeling your box? Did you get a good box? What are your thoughts? What are you gonna use out of this box? If you got the same things that I did, let's talk about it in the comments down below. And thank you for joining me for yet again another Boxycharm unboxing. And if you are a part of the Lady M fam, then please take the time to subscribe, turn on your notification bells because you don't want to miss out on any of my uploads. All right, guys, that's it for today's video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.